Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Lucretia coming to you from the One Stop Business Shop with another 5-minute or less video tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to show you exactly how to create a link so that you can send it out and people can go ahead and make a purchase from your link. So as you can see, I am in my back office of Square and I am on the actual home page. So I'm going to click on that so that you see. And the first step is going to be to go down to the Payments tab. So I'm just click on Payments. Second step is going to be to click on Online Checkout. All right. Now that we're here, we're actually going to create a link. And it is going to be to collect a payment. Now the title is going to be the money list. The price of that money list is going to either be $99 or $199. It's going to be a one-time frequency, and it's going to be consulting on jobs, credit, and more. If you want to, you can actually add an image, upload an image, and I think that I have an image here. Go to quick access, and I have an image right here. And then you can make it big if you want to. You can make it small, but you're going to click save. Now, once that image is saved, you can go ahead and just click on Create a Link. You can send this link now through messages. You can create a QR code. You can send it through email campaigns. You can post it on Facebook or Twitter. You can even create a buy button that can be embedded in a website, or you can simply copy the link and send it out to your friends and family. Let's take a look at what this link is going to look like. So I opened up an incognito browser. I'm going to paste the actual link that I just created. And voila! Here's the picture. It's telling you what you're actually buying, what it is for. People can pay with Google Pay, or they can actually input in their credit card number. They can pay by Cash App, or they can make 4 payments using Afterpay, right? If you want to buy more products, it gives them the option to save their information just in case I'm going to have other payment options. And then once they enter that information, they just click pay. And that's it. So I hope this helps you to actually continue to build your business. That's all I have for today. And see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.